5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks. He wore black and I wore white. He would always win the fight. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me down. Seasons came and changed the time. When I grew up I called him mine. He would always laugh and say, remember when we used to play? Bang, bang, I shot you down. Bang, bang, you hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, I used to shoot you down. Music played and people sang. Just for me the church bells rang. Now he's gone, I don't know why. And till this day sometimes I cry. He didn't even say goodbye. He didn't take the time to lie. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me down. Seasons came and changed the time. When I grew up I called him mine. He would always laugh and say, remember when we used to play?
The thing's not working. It's not working. Is it working now? Fucking A, man. These computers. How can I be so beautiful and having computers never working? What the fuck, man? Is it working? Is it working? What's going on? Had to restart my computer when I didn't want to this morning. But we are live. We're doing it. Fucking A, man. Monday morning. Getting it started. Check, check. Check, check, check. Microphone, check, check. Ooh, buddy. Ugh. One day, I'm going to hire a producer. I'm going to be able to walk into the BDH. I'm going to sit down. Everything's going to be working perfectly. And, you know, life's just going to be so perfect. And then I'm going to leave. And then it's just everything's going to be perfect. Absolutely perfect. The dream. Anybody out there want to come make it happen for me? That's all I want. I just want to be able to wake up in the morning. I want to be able to go to the BDH, not have any problems, just make some money. All right. Well, right now, the Nasdaq's got a big old gap. ES is already filling the gap. Looks like the Nasdaq's also working its way back down there to fill that gap. Sunday night open, big old gap-a-rooney. I was hoping that it would wait for the market to open, but looks like it might just start doing it before the market opens. Right now, Nasdaq, this gap from Sunday open is like the 440 area. We're only 30 points away from that now. So basically, this is that Sunday night gap right now that we're pulling back into. Let's see what happens here today. We are back to do it all night long. All night. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This week right now, 90% off for Apex. 35% off at Funding Ticks. And we got some other stuff going on. But right now, let's get ready for market open. Not a lot of action today in terms of numbers. Not a lot of numbers. So that means there's a lot of opportunity to make some money. Make some money, honey. Make some money. Make some money. Make some money. Yeah. I need that music. Someone make me a song really quick. It's just me singing. Make that money. Make the money. Make the money. Make the money.
I wanna dance.
Everybody, let's go, everybody. If you're ready and you're set to shake your body, come on.
Make that money. Make that money, baby. You got to get that money, all right.
Yeah.
Make that money. Make that money, baby.
Oh, sorry. How about now? Should be fine now. Clearly, that's not working. Oh, it's working now.
Hey, now you can party the night away till the break of day. Whether you toy with the sword or you flex at the desk, welcome and move, spoken moves. You got to run. What you do, your energy.
Whoa.
Oh, you got to be.
We got a wireless camera. Check this out, chat. We got a wireless camera now. I can walk around the BDH while we're live on YouTube. I can pretty much fire Jason now. He don't need to be here. Editor's gone. I can film. I can walk around. I can do it all. Look, we can go outside. Check this out. I don't know if it's gonna work, but look at that. We can go outside now. This is what's happening at the BDH live. Oh, we're live on YouTube right now, sir. What do you got to say?
We're here taking care of all the whips. They're pretty dirty, but
Pretty dirty.
look at the interior on that Ferrari.
I mean, I got it like that.
No,
So
no.
blame the guy I bought it from.
But look at it. Look at the mats.
Look at it. Looking at it here. Oh, God, this guy. Fire. He's doing artwork with my mats. He's an artiste. It's all he's good at. Look at that. Got the stencil. He knew what he was doing. All right, let's get back to work. So yeah, that's going on outside right now. See you later, editor. Did the camera work the whole time? Did it cut out?
Yeah, what if you
It worked the whole time. Look at that. 3,000. We got 3,000 feet. How far is Chipotle from here?
Let's go.
3,000? How far is 3,000 feet?
Gotta be under a mile.
We got the Porsche 911 Turbo 1979. Need like a wider camera lens. My head's too big. But that's the setup. I think it's pretty cool. Who else is doing this shit live? Walking around live. It's a live stream. It's live. Make that money, money. Make that money, money. All right. Back to the chat. Back to the movie here. Money.
Cash, check, or credit card. Everybody working hard. Yen, pound, or dollar bill. Long as you call it money still. Income, earning, salary. Everybody charging fees. You're bearing, you're betting, you're paying, you're honey. Everybody make that money. You got to make that money, alright.
I don't know. I gotta change something with this. Make that money, money. What made you do lives on YouTube helping people? Oh no, I'm just here to make money. You thought I was here to help people? This fucking guy. What does he think? Yeah, no, we're just here to make money. Patrick, I'm tired of watching charts on my mobile phone. Can you sponsor a laptop? Phew. Shit, this ain't fucking Goodwill, bro. This ain't fucking, fucking Goodwill. No Goodwillness happen here. None of that Goodwill. I'm trying to fix something here. Like, hide that. Do you hear this microphone still? Do you hear that? Do you hear that, or is it only from this microphone? I'm trying to figure out what's working, what's not working. You should only hear this one now, right? There should only be this one working. There's two? It should be only from the camera now. Fuck. Now it should be good. Only now. Fucking A, dude. These, I don't know why they're so weird. I'm gonna remove this, maybe. Alright. Now it should be good. Should be good now. What time is it? We got 10 minutes till market open. 10 minutes. What the plan is today. Let's think about what the plan is. We got Trump. Trump is... where the fuck he's at, what he's talking about, but he's doing something. We got the R34 here. What else we got over here? We got Trump on the bottom screen. We got Trump on the top screen. We got Tanya Trades on the lower screen down there. I got to keep her on the low, you know what I mean? Hey, just kidding. Put some tires up there now as well. So this rig is not, it's kind of heavy. I gotta adjust it. I gotta get one of those things that just bounces in front of me. Just walk around. IRL. We're doing IRL streaming, people. We're going to Chipotle together today. We're gonna make Jason wear the backpack for the Wi-Fi. Starlink. If we had a Starlink, right, we could have the Starlink. That could work. Could be a possibility. Look at that Porsche, though. Who's liking that Porsche right now? Look at that thing. Ooh, that's classy right there, chat. Down here. Fuck. There's no charts, man. There's no fucking charts, man. Mic check, mic check. No sound? What do you mean there's no sound? Fucking dude, I need to hire somebody. Someone to handle all my issues in life. I don't know if there is a person strong enough to handle. Sorry, chat. We're getting it figured out today, all right? This is my first time streaming on YouTube, and we're going to figure it out. Okay? Right now, ES pulling back here, trying to fill the gap here as well. So the ES with that close from Friday, very similar to the Nasdaq, kind of pulling back into that big Sunday night gap. And we're getting ready for a market open here. We got about 8 minutes. 8 minutes till market opens. So, like, why does that camera look so... Like, why is this camera looking all weird right here? What the fuck's going on with this camera right here? Why does it look like that? Why does it look like that, Chad? All right. Now, if we go to this one right here, let's... Oh, mic check, mic check, mic check. All right, now we're back. Dude, I swear, I don't know what the issue is, to be honest. I got too many microphones. I gotta figure. There's too much shit going on. All right. Focus, focus, focus. Nasdaq pulling back right now. Hey, PW, my girlfriend doesn't believe me about trading. Well, you know what you tell her? You go fuck herself. Say, hey, you don't believe? Get the fuck out. Fuck off, bitch. Fuck up, bitch. You know what I mean? Get the fuck out of here, bitch. That's what I would say. You don't want me at my lows, you don't get me at my highs. You know, if you don't want to, have sex with me when I'm broke, well, then you don't get to have sex with me when I'm fucking rich. Okay? That's what I told my girlfriend. She didn't really seem to,
This is the oldest RWB ever built. Now, it's not the first one.
What? The oldest one?
912.
It's Ontario? What the fuck's that? Market, all right. Getting ready for market open here. Was she with you when you were broke? Yeah, bro. When I first met Victoria, all I had was some bean bags. I'm not even lying. Like, legitimately, I had bean bags. Bags of beans. She came to my house. She's like, what are you, fucking Dexter? And I said, honey, I'm even worse. I'm even worse than Dexter. I want to give a big shout out to, everybody out there always trying to step up their game. Today, oh, nope. Never mind. I can't. No shout outs. No shout outs to anybody anymore. No shout outs. Okay, I got this one. Check this out. I want y'all to see this. Okay? Jay Dunn, he got new computers. He bought some computers for his new trading center. Look at these things. First off, where the fuck did he get? Listen to this.
Here's internet connected for y'all to trade with us. Internet connected. Internet connected. We got the all-in-one computers. Internet connected for y'all to trade with us.
I mean, the fact that this motherfucker said internet connected. Hey, guys. We're state of the art. Here at the BDH, we're state of the art. We're state of the art. We have internet connected computers. Bro, you're gotta be kidding me. Literally, don't worry. Hey, if you come to the BDH, you better bring your own fucking internet, okay? I can't afford to fucking pay for no internet. I can't stop laughing about it. These fucking people, man, they're retarded.
Internet connected. Internet connected. We got the all-in-one computer.
Look at those things. Bro, what is that? He went to Costco and bought the internet. Jay Dunn went to Costco and he's like, hey, I need a computer that has internet. And the person at Costco's like, don't worry, sir. We have the perfect computer for you. It's internet connected. It is internet connected.
We got the all-in-one computer. Internet connected for y'all to trade with us.
Bro, it is internet connected computers. And then also, I just found my favorite new Discord. I'm gonna sign up for this. If you guys don't sign up for this Discord, you're missing out. Get ready for this. The number one retard of the day award goes to this kid. Just fucking comedy. It's comedy.
Been for, I believe, 10 months now, or a little bit of, maybe like coming up on a year for sure.
I've been trading for 10 months now. No, actually a year.
Here to spread knowledge and to build a trading community in order to help experienced traders and inexperienced traders. Very soon, I will be opening up a Discord community where I will specifically be sending NQ alerts. I am very different than most of the traders that trade on this platform.
I can't! I am very different. Yeah, we know, bro. We know you're different. We fucking know you first off, you got Gandalf fucking ears, and then number two, your fucking eyes are spaced out to the other side of your head, and then number three, you clearly fucking dumb. I am very different, okay? I am not like the other Discord sellers. If I've been trading for 10 months now, for 10 months, dude, I've been trading for 10 months, and my Discord, it's gonna be for experienced traders and for non-experienced traders, because you know, for 10 months, I got all the answers for you. I've been doing this for 10 months now, and I find it's time for me to sell my theories. I've been making so much money that I just feel like it's not fair that I don't offer my services to other people, bro. I can't. You gotta wonder. You're like, are these people for real? You know what I mean? Like, are they for real? Like, is there somebody out there who's gonna watch that video and be like, damn, I kind of want to join that Discord, man. He's been trading for 10 months. I've only been trading for 5 months. So maybe he got the secret. You know, maybe he got the secret, because clearly I don't got the secret. You know, that's what I'm thinking. I'm like, damn, this boy got the secret. He got the secret, chat. I'm trying to get some of them 10-month secrets. I've been doing it wrong. 8 years ain't long enough. 10 months, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Save my soul, Lord. All right, we got 53 seconds here till market open. Don't say I didn't tell you so, but the market's gonna open here at 9:30. I know, it's crazy. We got the opening range, the 15-minute, you know what time the opening 15-minute range is? Well, if you don't know, then you don't know. It's that simple, really. All right. 30 seconds. I'd like to see this gap fill. We get a gap fill, then I think there might be a long opportunity, but we got to at least close this Sunday night gap. Let's see what happens here. 15-minute chart. Looking a little bearish. Will we have enough momentum to the downside to sell here at open? 3, 2, 1. Market is open. Sesame, open your doors for me. Yes. All right, if we lose that 70 area, I think we could start to really plummet into that gap fill, but just kind of watch that 70s. Watching 70s for a possible gap fill here. Right, get that little gappity fill. That puts us like all the way down there at the 50s pretty quickly, so. There's that 70 break. Kind of chopping around there for now. A little push back up. Oh, Lord. They're trapping. Back up there to the 90s for now. Right there at that pivot point. Straight back up here now. Good Lord. Is this going to be a big old trap? Let's see. This could start to ramp it. We got the VWAP up there at the 520s. That first 1 minute candle. First 1 minute candle here. Back up to the 500s. Let's see what happens to this pivot point now. Looks like the bulls are trying to step in there a little bit. Get it above that 500. Maybe to the 520s next. If we clear out this 500 level, I might grab it for a quick like 20 points to the upside, maybe 30 points. But right now, getting stuck there at the 500s. So we'll see if we lose that 70 support once again. Just chopped it right back down there. Testing that 70s. I want to see where this candle closes at. got 7 seconds till this candle closes. If this candle closes below 70, I might take a short there, but right now did not close there. This candle is probably going to take out 70s. Let's see. Still kind of holding there at the 80s. I want to see some sell through that 70 area. I'm looking to get short. I want to get through that 70 area, right? See, I want to see the body of the candle just kind of through that 70 nicely. Still just holding up there for now. $30 seconds left here on this candle to close. ES is kind of like right where Friday's close was. Nasdaq's right here at the 70s holding up. Nvidia still going higher. Nvidia doesn't want to stop going higher. Up there to the 175s now. Very tight here at the 70s. Very tight. ES is holding up. Nasdaq's holding up. That is a big gap to the downside here. Puts us all the way back down there to the 420s, but right now holding up there, so. Patience. Very tight range here. We keep getting denied there at the 90s. If we sell through 70s, this should be like right down there 40, 30s pretty quickly, but still just kind of holding up there. So no reason to get short yet. See where this candle closes at. We got 30 seconds again. Holding up here. 490s right now. 490s right now. Holding up. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Looking for a possible trade here. Kind of watching 70s or above this 90 area. They're holding that EMA for now. Getting very tight at the top of this candle. We got some sellers at 90. I'm going to grab along here. Stop right there below the 80s. See if we can't get a push through the 500s again. It's either going to go or it's not. Now, I'm not going to be too greedy here, but give it a little bit of room to run if it gets above 500s. Gets above that 500s here. It could go 510, 520 pretty quickly. Stuck there at the 500s. I want to kind of move my stop here. I'm moving my stop 93, stopped out. Fucking A. I wanted to see that break right through the 500s. We just could not break right through the 500s there. So we're chopping around here still, give it some time. Give it some time, chat. Let us see what happens. If we get stuck at that 500s, maybe we come back down again. That's what I didn't want to happen. We got stuck right there at the 500s, so. That pivot point's holding up there, 87s. Still tapping that 500 area. It's getting really tight. This thing's got to break 500s here now. I just was too quick to move my stop. There's the break now to the upside there. Such is life. Such is life. Let's see if they're going to trap now. Up there through the 500s. Five-minute chart right now. It's questionable. Very questionable either way here. Kind of where this goes. If this 5-minute candle comes back down and looks weak, it could be a short setup. But right now, still just kind of holding there at the 23,500s. All right. We got 5,400 people watching right now. Welcome to the biggest show on earth. Me, man. She's older than me. You thought I was old. She's real old. Another, like, another kind of looking bull flag here, but it would just be too easy, right? It would be too easy to go up here. It'd just be too easy, man. Pulling back here into that EMA again, right? So we're back into the EMA. I mean, back into that pivot point there, the 85s. I think there might be a short here now. Let's see what happens this candle. If this candle doesn't, like, wick right back up, then there might be a good short here. There's kind of that wick right back up. Let's see where it closes at. We got 20 seconds here. Right back up there to the 90s. Two seconds. I don't love that wick. But you can see getting stuck right there below the 90s again. Two wicks. Let's try a short here. Stop above the 90s. Take out that 80s. Try to move down. Make a new low. I want to see a new low possible. I want to see a new low through the 70s here. Nope. Giving a little bit of room here, but we'll see what happens. Got to get through 70s there. If this candle breaks 70, I'm going to look to move my stop to break even. Just stuck right there, so... Stop is at 90 here. I don't want it back above 90. If we get back above 90, it might be a good spot for a long. And almost stopped out. Almost stopped. I'm going to switch right to a long here. Trying long, doubled up. Now I'm looking for a explosion straight back up here after that wick to the downside there. And now we'll see if we can't get through the 500s there. Five-minute chart looks all right, but fuck, it's just chopping. Wow. Just chopping here at the 90s. If we break through the high of this candle, I'll look to add as well. See some green printing here. There's some green printing. Just want to see a little bit more momentum to get up there through the 500s next. Trouble. It's going nowhere. All right, let's see if we can get some type of momentum through the 500s, and I want to move stops to break even here now. I want to take out that 500 level. No, don't do that. Just break through 500s. I want to see a boner candle. We need to get like through that 505 very quickly here. This keeps getting stuck right there at the 500s. I don't like it. I'm moving my stop to the 85s now. I'm only risking 5 points. Keep the loss small if it does chop back down here. But really now I want to target like 520, 530s to make this risk to reward worth it. All right, we're moving stops, break even. That way we cannot lose at least. We want to get up there through the 510s, take 508s, and then I'll look for the last at 520s towards that VWAP right now. 512s, getting filled one. Beautiful. Can we get to the 520s now? I'm putting a stop right below 500 here. Just got to get through 515s. All right, I'm going to 502s to guarantee at least 10 points on this last contract. And then try to trail this a little bit. Targeting, we're right there at the VWAP now. So we're either going to get stuck here. We just tapped VWAP. We're going to either break or we're taking out that 520 level. So 520s are going or we're getting stuck right here at the VWAP. Let's see. I'm going to move my stop right there to the 507s. Real nice. Beautiful. Get a little bit more out of it to that 520. I might take 519s just because I ain't going to be counting pennies, right? I ain't counting. Oh, God. We're right there to that 520 level now. Come on. She wants it. Yeah, a little pain in the ass. And, oh, God. We got our last target, well, our last profits up there at the 19s. We got to stop at the 07s here. 17 points on that last is what it is. So yeah, we had the first trade. Basically, well, the second trade, we kind of went from green to red. Now we're back up 500. And we're just trading, man. Probably should have maybe taken that profit there a little quicker, I guess. But whatever. Now she's going to probably push. We're right there at the VWAP, so let's see what happens here now. What time is it? 9:45. We got the 15-minute range now set. I need a new lower bumper that doesn't say 25%. Is everything okay, Pat? You seem kind of sad. How do I seem sad? I just made money. Trying to make some money here. We got 5,700 people watching right now. Nasdaq sitting there at the 500s. Still got that downside potential there. We tapped into the VWAP for now. Tapped into the VWAP for now. I think we took profit at the right spot. Taking profit there at the right spot. Now let's see what happens. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range. Middle of the 15-minute range. The ES right now getting a little funky looking. ES is just like going nowhere. ES is at the kind of low of day. Nasdaq's holding up here in the middle of the 15-minute range. It's hard. It's a hard spot. Look at the M and Q. Why would I look at the M and Q? Why would I ever look at the M and Q chart? LOL. That'd be a terrible idea, wouldn't it?
So thank you, Patrick. My question is, do they keep me with the same account, or do they give me a new account?
CEO Cruz, they're gonna give you a new account. Gonna give you a funded account now. This could be a long above 505s. Let's see. Above 505, I'm looking for a long if we can hold that. And then basically like looking for a quick move up. But only if we break 505 here would I get long. Kind of this rounding bottom here. If not, we sell down. So 505 is kind of like the high of these two candles. Getting very tight here.
Good morning, BDH.
Good morning. Let's go. Fund to Futures Network. Can we hold the 500s here? Getting very, very tight. Watching the ES now as well. ES is holding the lows. Nasdaq's in the middle of the 15-minute range here. Look how tight these candles are getting. Really tight. Getting real tight here. We'll try a long here. Stop below the 495. Risk 10 points. Try to get a move up through the 20s here next. There we go. I might just take 16. Let's see. We're pushing. Needs to get gone. Trouble there. Again, right there at the VWAP. I'm going to move this target up a little bit. Now that we're like consolidating right there below the VWAP, just so we can have a little bit better risk to reward. Market just wants to get through the VWAP there. Get me on through the VWAP. We're right there at the VWAP now. The next kind of target's that 30 level. Just got to get through 15, 20s. We're right there at the VWAP. We're either going to go fucking to the moon here and hit my target up there through the 20s, or we're coming back down. I'm going to move my stop now. I'm going to move it right there. This thing's like chopping around here. I hate it. I hate when it gets stuck. I might just take the 16. Let's see if I can get filled at 16s there. Just don't like how we're getting stuck right there at that 20 again. So I'll take it for now just to lock it in. We're up $700 now. Now she's going to go. I'll give it some room. Let it break out here, and then we can always re-enter. No continuation. No continuation, chat. We got no continuation, chat. Boo-boo. All right, Nasdaq right there at the VWAP again, stuck. Looks like we had the right idea to get out where we got out for now. So, dude, the music. Sorry. I don't know why this fucking thing right now, man. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. We got stuck at the 20s. Just couldn't get through there. The ES is making new lows right now. ES is making new lows. Or it was trying to make new lows. ES kind of trapping down there. Could be some trouble here. Right there at the VWAP for the Nasdaq, holding up. Nasdaq's holding up right there at the VWAP now. Patrick, have you ever seen the M&Q wick hard and not the NQ? I never look at the M and Q, so I wouldn't know. The voice and the music. Like that. I think it's the same, but this is my microphone talking, and then you're hearing the music through the computer. Mike. We'll try it out. All right, Nasdaq still just kind of holding up there. Right there below the VWAP for now. Right below the VWAP for now. ES is just holding up at the lows right there. ES is at the lows here. Nasdaq's at the top of the 15-minute range here. I mean, I'd say if the ES can get moving, then the Nasdaq should follow here, right? In theory. We're right there, that VWAP. They're thinking about maybe putting a long on here. ES is pushing. There goes the... Oh. Should have taken that long at the 13s. Now we're at the 16s here. I'm going to try it. Just going to go for it here. Stop right below the low of that candle there. So, can we get continuation up there into the 30s next? Getting very tight at the top of this range here. So, either we go or we don't. She's getting tight. Real tight. See if we just get through that 20s. Push up there to the 25s quickly. There's a 20 push. Maybe I'll take that little 25 push right there. Let me see 25s. Just for that 10 points, you know? Oh, my Lord. Almost got stopped out. Stops at 510 now. 508s. Someone's tweeting. Someone's doing something. What is it doing here? Come on, just take it right there. Fucking A. I'll just take it right there. We're up 850 now. 850 now, so. Whatever. It's just like we're getting no continuation here, so. I think it will go higher. I just don't want to. I don't want to go right through there right now. You can see literally my last like 3 trades have just been kind of pushes up, getting stopped out on the break on like a 10 point. So you got to be aware, right? When the market's kind of doing what it's doing right here, we just got to be aware of that and take what we can get. Nvidia still making new highs as well. I mean, fucking A. The deal at MFFU is no longer 25% off. It's back to 15%. I told y'all last week. I said, get ready, because this deal ain't going to last forever. All right, so there are Nasdaq, well, this is NVIDIA. NVIDIA pushed up there, looking very much like the Nasdaq right here as well, so. Time to be patient. You gotta see how much money I need to make on those funding TIX accounts anyway. The 15% discount, it probably lasts for a while, to be honest. I don't know exactly when it stops. Right now, Apex is 90% off. Apex is 90% off. Yeah, it's right. 90%. All right, Nasdaq just stuck up here. I think we took a profit at the right time once again. I think we took profit at the right time, chat. Just kind of feeling that we weren't like we really, because the thing is, think about it like this: if we break like a double top, if we break through that double top, we should have easily kind of went to the 30, 40s, right? Like we should have went. It should have been like boner candle to at least the 30s. You know? So I think today is a good lesson of like, hey, you know, we let the trade kind of do what it wanted to do. Like we kind of, you know, we were riding the momentum, but once that we see that there's not a lot of momentum, that's when you got to kind of be like, okay, I'll take quick profit. I'll take my 10 points, you know? So good little lesson today. Risk reward. I made a video over the weekend talking about it. The ES right now back up to the 15-minute range high. Well, no, sorry. 15-minute range high is actually 32. So in the middle of the 15-minute range, Nasdaq back down again. Patrick, will you be adding to your course? So I'm actually going to be filming a whole new course this week. That's right, a new course. It's going to be very, very expensive, but don't worry. I've got 10 months. I got 10 months of trading experience, okay? I got 10 months. You know, I've been trading probably like 10 months. Man, you know, actually a year. 1 year I've been trading for. I've been trading. I'm here to spread the knowledge. I'm gonna create a Discord, right? I'm gonna create a Discord, and y'all can sign up for my Discord. Pat, so you only look for 10 points? No, I look for more. But if the market don't want to go, you know, if the market don't want to go, then I'll take 10 points. I'm not going to be greedy, you know? I ain't going to be greedy. Right now, the market trying to go higher once again. Pulled back there. We kind of keep just these little pullbacks, the pops, the little pullbacks. Something has to happen. Right now, the ES, look at the ES. ES is there at the 32s. If y'all buy my course, don't worry. It comes with a special gift. Comes with a special gift, right? Where you can actually
PW going for 10s on and off the charts.
Dude, 10s on and hey, look at that. My Fun and Futures coming through with the $50. They paying for lunch today, boys. PW going for the 10s to the 10 to 10s. Hey, My Fun and Futures, do you guys have internet connected computers? Are your computers connected to the internet over there at My Fun and Futures? Because I'm just making sure.
All-in-one computers, internet connected for y'all to trade with us. internet connected. We got the all-in-one computers, internet connected for y'all to trade with us. Internet connected. We got the all-in-one computers, internet connected for y'all to trade with us. Internet connected.
They got the internet on them computers. They're all in one, chat. They are all in one internet connected computers. All right, so if you sign up for the PW mentorship, not only do you get the mentoring, but you get to use my internet connected computers. Okay? I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like this is a pretty good damn deal. You know, there's a lot of people. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lele. Lele. Dude. The BDH I can't make no money because the BDH too much internet. My computer got too much internet. I gotta get my computer. I gotta get more internet connected on my computer. This is the problem. People don't understand. How am I can't broadcast live if I got no internet connected. You know, I mean, it's just the truth. It's just the truth, man. Dude. Yeah, oh, we're back. In the right chart. Not even the right chart. Yeah. Still not the right one. Right one. All right, Nasdaq is going absolutely nowhere. Pushed up there to the 530s, pulled back 500s again. All right, so I guess today is going to be one of those days where we go absolutely nowhere. Luckily, I was not in a trade while that was happening. That's always a good. You know, you get lucky sometimes in life, chat. You get lucky sometimes in life, and clearly I got lucky there. Clearly, I got to get better internet. It's not even my internet, it's my computer. I don't understand it. I have a $5,000 computer, but it don't work. You know, like what the fuck? Anybody a computer nerd? I got any computer nerds in the chat? I need a computer nerd to come work at the BDH. Send an email to g@onlypropfirms.com if you are local in South Florida and you can come fix my computers. Only if you're fucking, you better not be a weirdo. Come fix my computer, bro. Come on, help me. I don't know what's up. It just turns off and freezes sometimes. It's the second time that my computer froze today. I got too much. It can't handle all this big dick. I mean, big internet. I gotta get one of those all-in-one computers, man. I'll give me an all-in-one computer. That way I can do everything on one computer. Too much heat? I don't think it's too much heat, to be honest. I think it's something else. Something more sinister. I think it's the market makers. It could be. See, you think I'm joking, but it could be the market makers. You know, it really could be. Like, no, honestly, think about it. You know what I mean? Like, it could be the market makers. Could be them. Could be market makers. The makers are making the market. All right, so Nasdaq just absolutely going nowhere right now. I don't know what to do here. What do? You know, do you just watch it? Yep, I think so. The ES pushed up to the top of the 15-minute range. The Nasdaq's right here at the top of the 15-minute range. We're at all-time highs. The market is like, fuck you guys. We're not going nowhere today. It's Monday, no news. We're right at the VWAP as well. It's just been little pop, the drop, the pop, the drop, the pop, the drop, the pop, the drop, and here we are at the 500 still. What a time to be alive. Let's go watch Ross trade. Get the fuck out of here, Great Dane. You know what they say about Great Danes? They're really big, but their brains aren't as big as they are. True story. After the EU deal, the NQ should climb. Maybe, but the real question is, do you have internet on your computer? You know? Anybody can trade. But the real question is, do you have internet on your computer, okay? Because if you don't, then you're in trouble. Nasdaq pushing. Uh-oh. Is it time? Is it time, chat? Are you long right now? I'll help the market go higher. I got you. All right. It's time. Oh, nope. It's not time. ES is not there. We're back. ES is back. It's back. Wrong screen. Still wrong screen. Okay. We're gonna drop this one over here. Yeah. We got 4,200 people watching. 4,220. You guys are a bunch of naughty boys. Bunch of pot smoking people. 4,020. 220. I got more people watching my live stream than other people that have internet connected computers. Clearly, the internet connected is not important. Clearly. All right, Nasdaq is getting very tight here. I'm trying to figure out, is this a long? I mean, it's kind of like, what else is it? What else is it? We're putting in, you know, like we kind of trapped below this low now. It's like, fuck. You know, getting real tight there. Real tight. See if this little candle wicks down some more. Maybe take a little long here. No, I want more. I want to see like a wick down into the 17s would be nice. Like right into here. Come. No. Don't pop. Wick it first. Wick it. ES is about to break out to the upside. Nasdaq's right here. Oh, there's a little wicky wick. Okay, let's see what happens. We got to recover here now. Got to recover this. See where this candle recovers that. See, this is why I did not get long yet. Got to be wait. I wanted to see this candle do exactly what it's doing to see if it's going to hold up here. Because if not, no good. Got 10 seconds. See where if we wick back up here through the 20s again. Yeah. I don't love it. I don't love that close. We might be wicking down lower again. Oh, let's go there. It looks like it wants to roll over. You're not wrong, Mike. You are not wrong. We're right there at the VWAP now. We're holding up the VWAP. The ES below the VWAP. The Nasdaq's above the VWAP. But there's no real direction here to get through that level. So, got to break out there right now. Still just stuck. 510s again. Going nowhere quickly. Going nowhere quickly. Let's go there. Let's go there. Can you take me higher? Oh! Guess what, chat? Guess what? Guess who's number one on the leaderboard at Funding Ticks? Guess who's number one? I bet you can't guess. I bet nobody in the chat can guess. I guarantee it. $1 million, you can't figure it out. Can't figure out. The music. Oh. I'm sorry. There's a gate. Sorry. There was a gate on the microphone. We're back, baby. We're back. No, we're good. We're good. Don't worry. We're back. Who's number one? I'm number one. I'm number two. I'm number three. God damn, that's how good I am, motherfuckers. I can't even share the leaderboard with anybody. I'm number 1, I'm number 2, and I'm number 3. Come on. He's number 1. He's number 2. He's number 3. Look at that. Longest master account, 38 days. PW, baby. Ugh. And my high school teacher told me that I would never be nobody. Yeah, right, motherfucker. Look, I'm number 1, I'm number 2, I'm number 3. I'm everybody. I'm the best that ever was. The number 1. The best. The greatest. The largest. The biggest. Uh-oh, we got a Lester on the chart. That's got to be Nutty Bar. We got Lester M. What's Nutty Bar's last name? What? Well, don't say it out loud. What? What? I know. Uh-oh. We got Lester. Nutty Bar creeping up the chart. He's number 40 right now. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I'm number 1. And number 2. And number 3. Ooh, yeah, baby. All right, well, it looks like Nasdaq could start to fade back down here now, but I'm kind of like, what do I do? You know, do you go short here? I mean, we definitely not going up for now. Question is, is this a trap to the downside? Where is the leaderboard? It's on Funding Ticks website on the new dashboard. All right, there's, okay. Okay, well, there's some selling. Somebody's tweeting. Something's happening. I'm not sure what is happening, but it's happening. Chat, it is fucking happening right now. There is somebody doing something. Somebody's talking. Something's happening. Something's happening through the 500s, right down there to the 480s. George Daniel said bear flag. Wow. Hey George, how much money did you make? Hey George, how much fucking money did you make? Mister, I told you it was a bear flag. Yeah, well, you know what else? I told my girlfriend my dick's 4 inches, but it's only 3 inches. You know? Yeah, well, it don't matter what you say. It matters what you do. All right? True story. You know? Nobody cares that you called out a bear flag. Hey, look, everybody. It's the EMAs. You know, look, guys. We went to 23,520, guys. I told you it was either going to go above 20 or below 20. Okay, I told you guys. Someone said a crazy analogy. I mean, it's not. It's not a crazy analogy when you think about it. Talking about a bear flag after the fact is pretty much like talking about your dick being an inch longer. True story. Don't even quote me. It's facts. Round not like a Coke bottle, like a hockey puck. American RVs. 4 inches round. All right. Nasdaq, it dropped down, took out all of the lows of these candles just for fun. Let's see what happens here next now. Just see if they do it just for fun, you know. Is it going to be one of those just for fun moves? Just for shits and giggles. Shits and giggles. You know what's funny, though? The market went down right when we stopped playing Creed higher. Y'all noticed that, right? Everybody noticed that? Did y'all notice that? It might have been a coincidence, but I think there was some kind of correlation. The minute that Creed stopped playing, the market dropped like a rock. True story. PW, do you miss Hawaii? I don't really miss anything, man. Life is too short to miss stuff. I try to really live it up while I'm there, and then when I'm gone, I don't think about it, you know? I think that's the best way to live. Don't go living missing shit. Just look for the next thrill, man. The next thing coming up in life. I got a lot of stuff coming up, if you know what I mean. A lot of stuff. Right now, the Nasdaq just chopping around here at the 500s. At this point, I think it's pretty clear to see that we can just not do anything here. Only way I'd really be looking for a long is if we get back above the VWAP here, like back. I don't want to see us like pretty much like back up into here and then one of those kind of thing. Right now, still stuck there below that fucking 500 level. Is this going to be a bear flag? Hey, everybody, this could be a bear flag. It could be a bear flag, everybody. But it could also just not be a bear flag. It really just depends on how you look at it. You know what I mean? Like, you just gotta look at it sometimes. Whenever I just look at it, you're like, oh. Oh. How's your grandma doing? Nana's doing good. She just living her life, man. Having a good old time. Just having a good old time. Just look at it. Just look at it. While we wait for the market to do something here, what should we do next? Go for a little experience here at the BDH. A little experience. All right, what do we got? I'm gonna go to the bathroom, but I'll take you guys with me now. See? This is my new Porsche 911 Turbo. Thing is old as fuck. We got this one here. It's old as fuck too. Like, this is 1999 actually. That's 79. This is 20 years older than this car. And to be honest, I think that car looks way more futuristic than this car does. I don't know. That's my boyfriend over there. He's cute. That's the editor. This is where I go pee. Every day when I go pee on the stream, you know, I just come in here, close the door, there's our toilet. Don't look. Close your eyes, everybody. Just kidding. I'll be the first person to pee on a live stream. I would do it. I would do it. Dare me. And then outside here, we've got the cars getting cleaned up here today. I put these guys to work. Full-time job, just cleaning the cars. Got the Ferrari, the Mustang. Look at this guy's detailing van. Dude's got the Maybach detailer. Fucking expensive as shit. You gotta pay for the Maybach experience. So yeah, this is the BDH. Look at, we're all the way outside. Look at the big rooster. Got a big rooster on there. Look at that. There's a big rooster. If you're ever driving down the highway here, you'll see the rooster on the building. BDH, baby. BDH. Well, and that's all. That's everything that's happening out here right now. Go back inside here. And then I moved the simulator. This thing is so wild right now. I put the simulator in here. Put I almost said Jason. I put the editor. Look at this guy. He got fucking Zins. 6 milligram Zins. This fucking guy's got 3 Zins in right now. Fucking got all the Zins in. Look at this. Look at his lips all fucking bloated out. He got 5 lippers right now. Dude's got 5 lippers. Literally 9 o'clock in the morning. Fucking got lippers. Boy's got lippers. Dude. Fucking lippers. All right, we're back. What happened, chat? Nothing. Absolutely fucking nothing. Still just sitting here. We're up 850 in the accounts today. Number 1 on the Funding Ticks leaderboard. Damn, Junior. That boy's good. Average duration 3 minutes. My competitors, this is their problem. This is why they're not making money. Because they're lasting too long, man. 51 minutes, that's too long. You're trading the M&Q for 51 minutes. You're doing it for too long, man. Too long. Don't last so long. No stamina needed. No stamina is needed, chat. No stamina needed. Oh yeah, we got a little bit of news coming here at 10:30. We'll see what happens here at 10:30 now. Oh, fucking Nvidia. Chopping around here, 175s. Going nowhere. Nasdaq going nowhere. Welcome to all-time high trading. I'm just not sure what to do. Well, the market is going absolutely nowhere right now. Look at the 5-minute bull flag. Yeah, I mean, I said if we get above the VWAP here, I look for an opportunity for a long, but right now we just can't get above that VWAP, so I ain't looking for nothing but that. We get above the VWAP, things change. But right now, stuck below the VWAP. Stuck below VWAP here. We got the 90% sale with Apex going on right now. That's right. 90%. You want to party? Drink some Bacardi. Do 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 do. Do do. Do do. Do do. Do, 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 do. Man, I'm so excited for next week. Next week's gonna be fun. I've been working on getting everything all dialed in with the computers and everything set up. We got the mentorship starting next week. Don't worry, we're gonna have internet connected computers, and it's gonna be good. Gonna be a good time next week. Live on YouTube. We got 2 traders coming into the BDH. I've never met them before. I have no idea what they can do, but we're going to try them out. We're going to put them on the stream. We're going to make them trade. We're going to talk about it. We're going to break it all down. That's next week. Starting next Monday. Next Monday is going to be big, baby. Right now, the top deals in the space here. If you check out onlyprofitfirms.com, we got Funding Ticks 35% off. Apex Trader 90%. Take Profit Trader 40%. And MFFU 15%. That's right. Across the board, PW gets you the best deal. Whew. I got a voice of an angel. Voice of an angel, chat. This is my new car. Y'all see my new car yet? This thing is so beautiful. This is straight from Japan. Straight from Japan, baby. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Sex. It has sex written all over it. It literally says sex. Y'all see it? It says S-E-X. Sex. Have sex with me. Tokyo Drift. You know how we do. And there's my boat. Victoria wearing her life vest in the water at all times. Wear that life vest in the water at all times. Ugh. Do you sell your cars? That's the plan. Hi guys, I started trading 1 month ago. I have Discord where I learned to experience and no experienced traders. Get the Discord sellers. Get them. Get them. All right, we're waiting for the market to do something. You guys, this is all of my car collection. We got the R34 right now. We got the R34. We've got the Turbo 911, 1979. We got the Raptor R. I'm turning this one into a big Baja truck. I got this Raptor R. That's actually for sale right now. I've got the Ferrari 488 GTB Liberty Walk. And then I got the 1,000 horsepower America-made Mustang. What was that? 500. GT 500. And right now I'm missing the Aventador, the McLaren, and then the 2 RWBs. So we got all the fun. Right now the Nasdaq, the ES, everything is just sitting here. ES sitting here right now. Nasdaq's sitting here, going nowhere. So I don't know what it's going to do, to be honest. It's a tricky one, man. It's so annoying. Pulling back there again. The ES pulling back. Nasdaq pulling back. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-doo-doo. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-boo-doo. Ba-da-ba-doo-boo-boo. Ba-da-da-da-da. Boo-doo-doo. Ba-da-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Ba-da-da-ba-doo-ba-doo-boo. All right, ES, Nasdaq, Chop City. Something's going to happen here, right? At some point, right? At some point. Is the course expensive? It's $199. Get the Lambo Revolto. Frosty G, go ahead and tell me you're poor without telling me you're poor, bro. Go ahead and tell me you're poor without... Just go ahead and tell me you're poor, Frosty G. Just go ahead and let's just agree to disagree. Okay, let's just agree to disagree. Are you trading micros instead of minis? No, I'm trading minis. I only trade minis. Only people with little tiny dicks trade micros. On the internet, at least. Patrick, what do you drink? It's a mixture of liquid cocaine and liquid water. PW, you rant a lot. I rant a lot. Yeah, welcome to the fucking live stream, idiot. Patrick, why do you talk? Patrick, why do you talk too much? You talk too much, Patrick. Patrick, I don't understand. Why do you talk? You're on a live stream, and why are you talking? Patrick, you gotta stop talking so much. Patrick, if you didn't talk as much, you know, then your live stream would be less talking. I don't understand it, Patrick. Why? Why? Why do you talk? The idiots in the chat are undefeated sometimes. Patrick, you're making money from your course, not from trading. Make your course free. That makes no sense. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. So you're telling me that if I make all my money from selling the course, so I should make the course free. Well, how am I gonna make money? See what you did there? You contradicted yourself. That's how fucking dumb you are. You contradicted yourself because you're so dumb. You literally just said that I make all my money from selling the course, so I should stop selling the course. You see what you did there? You're almost like this guy here. You're like this guy. This is who you are. You're this guy right here.
Maybe like coming up on a year for sure. Here to spread knowledge.
I want you to get this one time. I've been trading for,
I believe
10 months.
Or a little bit of, maybe like coming up on a year for sure.
Nah, coming up on a year for sure.
To spread knowledge and to build a trading community in order to help experienced traders.
This kid's probably a real nice kid,
traders.
but he's
Very
fucking
soon,
retarded.
I will be opening up a Discord community where I will specifically be sending NQ alerts. I am very different than most of the traders that trade on this platform.
Yes, bro, we know you look like a fucking alien. You don't have to point out the fact that you're different. We get it. We get it. Your eyes are over here and your fucking ears are down here. We get it. We get it. This guy is literally, he's trying to tell everyone, yeah, I'm different. Yeah, we know. You look like an alien. We get it. Okay? We don't need to, you don't need to fucking tell us that you're different. We know. There ain't no, we know. And I'm not even trying to be mean. I'm all for people like, putting on the hustle. But again, it goes back to one thing. People will be like, Patrick, he's starting out. Hey, I'm all for starting out. But don't, after 10 months of being a trader, you're going to sell a Discord? You know what I mean? Like, that's just like, it's fucked up. It's retarded. Like, you're doing everybody a disservice. You're doing yourself a disservice. Like, that is literally crazy. Hey, everybody, I've been trading for 10 months, and I'm going to start a Discord, and you should join it because it's for inexperienced and for experienced traders. If you're experienced, you can join the Discord, and you can come teach me how to trade. Hey, if you join my Discord and you're experienced, you could actually help me learn to day trade. You could pay to join my Discord so that I could learn how to trade from you because I've only been trading for 10 months. So if you've been trading for 2 years, then it's pretty genius, actually. I mean, you know, like it's genius. And I'm not even trying, like, again, I'm not trying to be a hater. I'm not. Like, it's just the fact of, like, we're living in a world now where, like, the retardation is taking over, right? Like, you got to ask yourself, you're like, hey, did you just make a video talking about how you've been trading for 10 months and now you're going to launch a Discord for people to learn to trade? You know, like, you know, like, what? You know, like, what? Hold on a second. Wait, what? 10, I didn't even know. I had no idea what I was doing 10 months into trading. I didn't even know. I had no idea. I didn't even know what the ER was. I didn't even know about earnings. You know, 10 months into trading. Earnings? I didn't even know about that. It took me 11 months to find out about earnings. I remember I bought this stock one time and I was holding it overnight and I look at my portfolio and I'm like, oh my God, the market's, my stock is down 50%, but the market's not even open. I didn't even know. Like, that's how retarded I was when I first started trading. I'd be like, what? How is the market's not open, but my stock says I'm down 50%? Someone said, give him some credit for starting. He's not starting anything. He's starting a scam. That's all he's starting. What are you talking about? He's not, what's he starting? He's starting a scam. That's all he's doing. He's not helping anybody. He's not starting a legitimate service for trading. He's starting just to be a scammer. That's the point that I'm trying to make here. It's like, yeah, I get it. Hey, I'm all for people starting a business and, like, you know, helping themselves and building a community, but, like, actually do something. Prove you have some value before you go and try to sell a fucking Discord. You know? You know what I mean? All right, Nasdaq is finally doing something. We're breaking out to the upside here. I'm getting interested in maybe a possible long. But again, like, the last thing that I want to see is I do not want to see this just come right back down to the VWAP like it's doing right now, to be honest. See, that's what we don't want to see. We want it to push up here, to not do what it's doing. Don't do what you're doing. Don't do what you're doing, Nasdaq. Bro, shut up. Watch the market. Hey, Michael. Go fuck yourself, Michael. I would love for you to come say it to my face, because you wouldn't, Michael. You wouldn't. You wouldn't come to my face. You wouldn't. You wouldn't say it to my face, would you? You never tell me to shut up to my face. You know what you say to my face? You say, Patrick, you're my mentor. I learned everything from you, Patrick. You're the best. Patrick, I want to be just like you when I grow up. Can you teach me how to be like you, Patrick? Can you teach me? And I'd be like, no. Sit down, Michael. Sit down. I gotta go move the fur up. Oh my God, Nasdaq. Why do I give a lecture in Trump's voice? Because I am Trump. I am the number one. I already told y'all, I'm number one, I'm number two, I'm the best to ever do it. There ain't nobody better. Look at the leaderboard. Look at the leaderboard. I'm number one, I'm number two, I'm number three. Number one, number two, number three. The best to ever do it. It don't get no better. Look at that. Longest master account, 38 days. Patrick Wieland. Patrick Wieland. The best to ever do it. All right, well, Nasdaq, we're right back down there again to the 500s. Yay. What a time to be alive. It's going nowhere. 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 Oh my God, this guy's moving my Ferrari. Let me go make sure he don't crash the Ferrari really quickly. Make sure. Oh, he probably don't even know how to put it in reverse. He don't even know how to put it in reverse. Yeah, put it in reverse. I knew it. What? You got it? Oh shit. Still don't got it. Come on! Something happened. Something's happening, chat. You're probably gonna have to help him because he cannot see out the back of that thing. Just don't crash it. Don't crash it, chat. Oh God. Scary. It's very scary. Very scary. All right, so what happened? Nothing. Market went absolutely nowhere. Absolutely nowhere right now. Look at this thing. Look how old this thing is. Ooh. You know what's crazy about this car? It's got metal door handles. How many cars nowadays have metal door handles? Not a lot. Look at the interior. Oh, it even smells like old. It smells old. That's what you buy. You buy the old. This thing is beautiful. It's a very rare model as well because there's no sunroof. People don't know about that, but no sunroof. I know about it. Bought this online at the auction. Or on BAT, actually. Bring a trailer auction website. All right. Nasdaq going nowhere. What's the gas mileage? Bro, I don't look at the gas mileage. Nasdaq going absolutely nowhere. Maybe after 11 o'clock something happens. Maybe. What are we thinking? Maybe? Maybe, baby? Looks like I can submit a payout with funding ticks today. That's good. After today, time for another payout.
Our content at B's9 Live. Many traders hate us, but we said it's for entertainment when we go live with evals. No course at all.
I love it. I love your entertainment. FX Elevate. PW, I want to go into a trading challenge with you. Just say yes and watch me. Okay, yes. Got him. Yes. Okay, no problem. Trading competition. Why doesn't this show your trades, Patrick? Because I trade on Tradeovate. There you go. I showed every single trade today live on YouTube. Anything else? Any more questions? Any more questions?
All right, Pat. Thanks, bro. Have a great day. Going live now.
Any more questions? Any more questions? Exactly. Sit down, boy. Sit down, boy. Show P&L of today. I make no money. What happened to my Apex? I took a $355,000 payout. That's what happened. Oh, God. Why do I not use NinjaTrader? Why do I not do anything? Why? Just shut the fuck up and watch the show. God. Less questions. More answers, chat. I took out $355,000 from the Apex account. There was no money left in it to trade. What do you want me to do? Exactly. All right, Nasdaq kind of pulling back here into the 1050 macro. Just right back down there to the pivot point again. I got a pivot point there at the 488s. 488s pulling back here. Patrick, what makes Tradeovate better than others? Honestly, I think most people just start Tradeovate because it's like what people use, to be honest, right? Do you trade your own capital or do you still use PropFirms? I use PropFirms. I use my own capital. I use everything. Hobo Joe getting long in the 505s. Okay. All right, Nasdaq again just dipping down here. Going nowhere quickly. Patrick, if you could only have one car, what would it be? Probably the RWB. Probably. Why are you not buying 20 Apex evals? Because I've already taken massive payouts with Apex. I don't need to keep taking massive payouts with Apex, trading fucking 20 accounts. If that's what you guys can do, it's 90% off right now. I don't want to do it anymore. I'm done. I've retired from that life, okay? I've retired from that life. Guys. Why multiple accounts instead of just one with more lots? Well, you get more drawdown. You get more drawdown per account. FX Elevate. We go fucking retard. You retard, get out of here. Nobody wants to challenge you. You're nobody. Get gone, bro. Get gone. God. Why would I ever do a challenge with some fucking random person on the internet? What does that do for me? Hey, FX Elevate, how about this? You send me $100,000 cash, and then I'll do a challenge with you. Oh, you don't have $100,000 to pay me? Okay, never mind. We're good. Pat, I'm missing the sell. You're missing the sell. Well, I'm not missing anything. We're still very much in the middle of the 15-minute range here. I ain't missing shit. Don't you worry about me, chat. Right there at that pivot point now at the 89s. Right there at that pivot point, 88, 488s. I don't think it's a sell, to be honest, but I can't. I look at the chat and it's like somebody said, why 15 minute? Why not the 1 minute? Why not the 30 minute? Why not the 60 minute? I don't know, man. You know, I really don't know, to be honest. The 15-minute opening range works for me, and I use it. All right. If it don't work for you, then don't fucking use it. You know, like, it's just, what do you want from me? Well, I don't know. You know, some things just work, and I just use them, and I don't think about it. I just trade it. You know, like, I just trade. I don't think about it. I don't sit around thinking about it all day. I don't like, oh my god, what about the 15? What about the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 20 minute, the 100 minute? Just trade it, man. That's all I got. I'm just gonna trade it. I got no other thing. I got no other goal. I'm just trading. That's all I'm doing. I'm just fucking trading. You know, I'm just trading. I mean, at the end of the day, you can trade whatever time frame you want, but it's pretty much the hourly chart, 4-hour chart. That's the big picture idea, right? So everything other than that, who really cares? Hourly chart right now, we're sitting inside this wick on this last hourly candle. We broke to the upside. We pulled back here. We're kind of just bouncing around this 490, 500 level, all-time high up there. We do have the gap still from Friday, the close, that 420 level on Friday. Could we dip all the way down there? Maybe. Maybe. So big seller I just saw at 90s. I mean, the thing is like, it's not about the why, right? It's just either it works for you or it doesn't. There's not like me explaining why something works for me. It doesn't mean that it's going to work for you, right? Like, that's just like, that's the idea here. At the end of the day, every trader's got to kind of figure out their own path. Everything, it's not going to work perfectly. What works for me ain't going to work for you. What works for you might not work for me. And that's just trading. Do you still use Bookmap? I do not use Bookmap. All I use is what you see here on the chart, right here. This is all I'm using. The only thing I'm looking at. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. I'm looking at the 5 minute chart. I'm looking at the 15 minute chart. I'm looking at the hourly chart. Like I said, on that hourly candle, we're kind of like sitting in this previous wick, right? The previous wick here in this area. So that's kind of like where I don't want to be shorting at, especially that big wick up. I know it's not really going anywhere. We're kind of chopping, but at the same time, it's just like, I know from the majority of, you know, my trading experience that getting short when there's a big old wick right next to you isn't always the best idea. Sometimes it does work out, but it's just not a repeatable strategy. Big wick on the bottom of the candle, I don't want to be shorting into that. Now, if there was a big wick on top of the candle and we were pushing up into that wick, that might be a different story. Then I might want to be shorting. So 1 hour chart right now, really going nowhere. It's almost 11 o'clock. Something might start happening here at 11 now. Who knows? The 15-minute range, still very much just the play right here. We're stuck inside the 15-minute range. Market is going nowhere quickly. So, getting very tight here once again inside that range. Kind of got one of these. You got one of these. Which way do we go? Pick your own poison, really. Do I think another trade is possible? Hell yeah, there's another trade coming, but I don't know when. It might be an hour. It might be 5 minutes. It might start happening in the next minute. For the longs, I'd want to see us back above the VWAP here. Break out here, get above the VWAP, and then we try to push up there to that high from the overnight, maybe. Overnight 585 level. But for the bears, kind of the same idea, right? I'd want to see us break below this 70 area, get stuck down here, build out a bear flag, and then look for a gap fill to the downside is what I'd be looking at for the bears. But that's just kind of looking at both sides of the coin. Both sides of the story. The story has two sides, right? The bears think the market's going to pull back once we break this. The bulls think the market's going to push up once we break this. So that's all you can really do here. That's all you can do. But the one thing that I do know is that I'm number 1, number 2, number 3. Where's all the other influencers at? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? All right, here we go. Little dippy dipping again. I just like, be careful. If this, like, we're right there at that pivot point. So this could be kind of a trap in the sense that maybe we dip down into here and then we rip back up there again. Just because we break this line does not mean it's a good short. It could, waterfall straight down 100%. But the odds, right? The odds right now, it's basically 50-50. The odds are 50-50 chance that we either go up or we go down inside these areas. This is like a 50-50 chance. If we break out up here, then I think it's like a 70-30, right? 30, well, however you want to look at that. 70%, 30%. So that's pretty much what we're looking at. Right now, it's 50-50, the middle of that range. It could go either way. If we break the range, we start to move down, then I would say this is probably like an 80-20. Now we move down to fill that gap once you break that range there. So it's math, okay? I know math. I have computer with the internet. I got my computer internet. All-in-one computer internet. It's so internet for your computer. You put a computer on your internet and then your internet goes, it works. Internet works, okay? My internet is gonna work. I cannot wait for the PW mentorship. I got all-in-one computers for everybody. For everybody. For every fucking buddy. Everybody wants to. Everybody is kung fu fight. I need that song now. Hold on. You ever just get that, like, the kung fu fight? You just get that in your head? Kung fu fighting. Do 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 do. Yeah. This is pretty much right now. The bulls and the bears are kung fu fighting. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Do, 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 do.
Fast as lightning.
Ba, 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 ba.
In fact, it was a little bit frightening.
All right, Nasdaq once again pushing up here. Ha! Patrick, why are you not trading Apex anymore? Like I said, I took $1 million in payouts with Apex. I think there's no better leverage play, but for me personally right now, that's just kind of not where I am mentally. Like, I don't really want to, I'm not focused on making $1 million with 20 accounts anymore. I'm focused on bigger, better things in my career. That's like, maybe that's the best way to put it. Again, nothing wrong with Apex. They got some new stuff coming. I think it's going to be really great for everybody. But personally, right now, I'm just kind of in a different place, right? That's kind of my thought process. I'm working on better stuff. I'm not so worried about like trying to break records trading. I think I've proven myself time and time again. I've got over $1 million in payouts, and right now I'm just kind of trading some fun stuff and trading my personal account and just kind of chilling, man, to be honest. And trust me, it's nothing to do with the fact that Apex doesn't have money. Like, I know how much money they're making, and they don't have problems paying out. That's not the issue. They have more customers than anybody else out there. You know what I mean? Patrick, you're not being straightforward, which is something we've all come to value. Guys, literally the truth. I took a massive payout in June, and I told everybody that I was going to switch to focus on a personal account. Does nobody else remember that? I literally talked about that whole thing about how I wanted to focus on my personal account, and I didn't want to focus on copy trading anymore. I mean, I think that's the evolution of a trader. As a trader, your goal is to trade your own money. Right? At a certain point, you want to trade your own money. And that's what I need to focus on right now. I'm overdoing the copy trading. I took $355,000 in payouts in June. It has nothing to do with them moving me into an account. Nothing at all. Trust me, I could go right now and buy 20 accounts and trade them and make more money. 100% I could. I just want to be better. I want to trade my own money. I want to not focus on copy trading. And that's it. That is literally the whole story. There's no more story to it. Like I said, 100%. Apex pays out. I could go there right now and sign up and trade 100 accounts and do all that, and but that's not what I want to do right now. It's just, I'm being honest with people. I just literally, all I want to do is focus on my personal account and trade better, right? That's what I'm trying to focus on. I was doing these funding ticks accounts. I'm trading these funding ticks accounts just so I can, number one, I started promoting funding ticks. Number two, I wanted to show the fact of like, hey, I got payouts with funding ticks. Like, my whole thing is like, if I'm going to promote a company and I'm going to like say, hey, this is a good company, I want to use it, right? I want to make sure they work. I want to make sure their platform works, their dashboard works. I want to like focus on all those things. So that was my thing with funding ticks. I'm like, hey, funding ticks, I'm going to get 3 accounts. I'm going to get the payouts. I'm going to show people that it works. And then after that, in August, I'm going to focus on my own personal account and try to make as much money as possible personally. That way I'm not paying any profit split, and then I'm also not paying, anything. I'm not paying the commissions. I'm not paying a bunch of bullshit. I am literally just trading my own money, making money. That's my goal. So but again, nothing wrong with trading prop firms. They're great. But once you get to a point where you're a millionaire, maybe it's time to move on. Like, hey, funding accounts are cool, but at a certain point, you're kind of like, I don't really want to do the profit split anymore. Like, I have my own money, so why do the profit split? That's the way I look at it. What is the size of your personal account? It's nothing crazy. Right now, it's only $20,000 in my personal account. So, but probably in August, I'll put some more money in there. I don't really need a lot of money in there, to be honest. I have my personal account set up very similar to my PropFirm accounts. I have a $10,000 max daily loss limit. I trade a max of 10 contracts. So I'm trying to apply the same stuff that I learned from trading prop firms to my personal account. Because, you know, honestly, in the past, one of my biggest issues was blowing up a lot. I would, you know, put $20,000 into a personal account, and then I would lose all the money. And then I'd put more money in, and then it would just be like this, you know. It would just kind of be a cycle, right? So I want to avoid that cycle, and I feel like I'm getting to that point where I can avoid that cycle. I don't know if I can actually do it or not, but I want to do it. Why is Jade Cap still trading prop firms? I have no idea. I don't know why anyone does anything. Ask him, not me. Didn't you trade a 50K Optimist account and took it to 150K? Yes. Joseph, how do you trade 10 minis with 20K? The clearing firm that I use is Iron Beam. Depending on your broker, sometimes only $1,000 per contract. There for you. Their commission, yeah, it's not the best, but I have negotiated better terms. Most of the brokers, you can negotiate better terms. If you sign up for Optimist Futures, go through Optimist Futures, and then if they put you with Iron Beam, you'll get a lot better commissions. That's the benefit of trading through Optimist Futures. They can get you a lot better commissions. I use the Optimist Flow. Hit up Optimist Futures. They can answer all your questions. They're really great customer service. The Key Trading says, here comes the rip. 100 points. 2 minutes till the volume. Holy shit. Turn up the volume, chat. Is it a rip up or rip down, Key Trading? Patrick, you should trade. You're missing long and short. Oh, am I missing it? I'm missing it, chat. What am I ever going to do? Oh, my God, look. It went up 10 points, went down 10 points. I'm missing it. I'm missing it, chat. How do you find your cars? I find them. I go online, look for them. Look on forums, look on websites, different websites out there. Auction websites, all that stuff. How many cars do you got? I think I got like 15 now. What is the name of your trading strategy? Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high is the best strategy. Best name of a strategy, right? Or buy high, sell low. Also a possible strategy. It's down in Africa. It ain't moving, chat. It ain't moving. I got a minivan? No, that's the detailer. Got the Maybach. Two prop firms with the best payout rules. Oh, Lord. Funding ticks. Take Profit Trader. Probably have the best payout rules. But like I said, Apex has some new stuff coming. I feel like Apex is just kind of... I know that they've been working on some new stuff for a while. Once that new stuff launches, people are going to be like, what? Apex is on another level. So it's time. Apex is ready to blow it up once again. All right, 23,005. We're getting... Look how fucking tight this thing's getting, man. This is getting tighter than a fucking... Than a homophobic guy at a gay bar. His butthole. True story. Think about how tight his booty hole would be. Which Porsche is that behind me? That is a 911 1979 turbo. 911 930 basically. I mean, we keep just kind of grinding lower here. There's some the ES pulled back all the way to the lows again. ES is down at the lows. Nasdaq's in the middle of the 15-minute range. The bears, I can't tell if they're going to be aggressive here or not, but it ain't looking very fucking good. Is this another trap? Chop, chop, chop. I could see them maybe like dip it down below this 470 level and then ramp it back up. Maybe. Big trap. Uh-oh. Did that just happen? If this pops back up after taking out that low, that would just be too funny, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be funny? Be funny. Time for siesta. All right, there's that 470 break. Finally breaking to the downside, but I just don't trust it. Not yet. Oh, Lord. Okay, something's happening. She's really going now. She's really going now. Went straight down there. Wow. Somebody said 100-point rip. I think it went down. The fuck? Somebody lied in the chat. Like always lying. Wait, maybe they meant down. Maybe rip down. That could have meant that. Could have been the... You never know which way the rip is. Is it up or down? How's that work? Rip up or rip down? Wait, I'm confused. The island breeze right now, boys. Bonita. Spanish lullaby. Well, it did what we thought it might do, like ripped right through that 75 level. But it could have also ripped up, I guess, too, so hard to say. We broke the opening range for the first time to the downside here. ES, Nasdaq. Are we going for that gap fill potential? Back down there, 420s maybe. She's a dipping. Oh my Lord. After all of that, we finally get a big old move. Magical. So magical. All the way down to the 440s now. Nasdaq still flirting with green here. Not red yet on the day. Someone said red day. Raise the roof all night long. Up there to the 450s one more time.
Let the music play on. Everybody sing, everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance.
That dotted line to the downside is the gap fill, right? So gap fill would put us down there to the 420s.
Come on and sing along. We're going to party. Come on, fiesta forever. Come on and sing along.
All night long. Well, the gap fill is, yeah, you're not wrong. That's Sunday gap fill. So Sunday open gap fill puts us right there to the 450s, which we did now.
People dancing all in the street. See the rhythm all in their feet. Life is good, wild and sweet. Let the music play on.
Democrat senators penned letter to the U.S. Commerce Secretary about resuming China chip sales.
Music take control.
All night long. Party.
Fiesta forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party. Fiesta.
Patrick, give us a roadmap on how to buy a Lamborghini. Okay, first thing you do, you start a YouTube channel, right? You tell everybody that you've been trading for 10 years. 10 years, right? 10 years minimum. And then after that, you sell a course for $10,000. All right? You can buy a Lambo for like 200, 300,000. So you only need to sell, I'm not good at math, but you just got to sell a couple of them. You'll be all right. No, 10 years, not 10 months, guys. This guy really screwed up. He screwed up by letting the world know that he's only been trading for 10 months. You know, never tell people that you're trading for only 10 months. Never. Don't ever do it.
Here to trading for,
He messed up,
I
man.
believe, 10 months now.
No. He meant 10 years. He meant 10 years.
I believe 10 months now. Or a little bit up. Maybe like coming up on a year for sure. Here to spread.
Hey, if your trading mentor don't even know how long he's been trading for, that ain't good. That ain't, you know what I mean? Like, that ain't a good sign. It ain't, like, I'd be like, I'm a little worried. I'm a little worried because my trading mentor, he don't even know how long he's been trading for. This ain't good. But it gets better. It gets better.
And to build a trading community in order to help experienced traders and inexperienced traders. Very soon, I will be opening up a Discord community where I will specifically be sending NQ alerts. I am very different than most of the traders that trade on this platform.
Why does he sound like he's like an alien? He's like, I am very different. I would help you get you to, I don't get it. I don't understand. It's just like, what is you got? I think something, there must be something going on.
NQ alert. I am very different.
Hold on a second, one more time.
Be sending NQ alert. I am very different than most of the traders that trade on this platform. I'm trading for, I believe, 10 months now.
And then you got our other favorite fucking retard of the day. I like to highlight all the retarded shit in the space. We got Jay Dunn over here. Look at these computers, boys. These are top of the line, fucking all-in-one computers. But not only are they all-in-one, they are better than just all-in-one. They have something that most computers would never have. Because, you know, normally when you buy a computer, you don't have this. And you know what that is?
Internet. You got the all-in-one computers, internet connected for y'all to trade with us. Internet connected, connected.
Yeah.
We got the all-in-one computers.
Yeah, he's got the motherfucking all-in-one computer and it's internet connected. Y'all be thinking that you're smart, but you ain't, because you ain't got the connected internet to your computer. So if you go to the fucking J Dunn mentorship, not only are you going to get an all-in-one computer, but it's gonna have internet. Bro, it's gonna have internet. You know what I mean? Like, come on. Come on. What is this? What kind of world are we living in? That's your mentor? And then look at this motherfucker. He don't even know how to spell volume. He don't even know how to spell volume. He put volumes. Hey, everybody, check out my new strategy. I trade volumes. Volume 1, fucking retard book. Volume 2, retard book. And then volume 3, how to be a retard. Volumes, chat. He don't even know the difference. This is who people are paying thousands of dollars to learn from. Volumes. I'm going to get me some look at them volume. Guys, look down below. There's volumes down there. Y'all don't trade with the volumes, man. The volume. Like, who in the fuck? I'm telling you, man. I am telling you that there got to be some real fucking retards out there. Some absolutely insane retards.
We got the all-in-one computers, internet connected for y'all to trade
got the
with
internet.
us. Internet connected.
Just the fact that he literally made it a point to tell people that they're internet connected. Like, that's a selling point. Guys, if you sign up for my mentorship, not only are you going to learn to day trade, but you're going to get an internet connected computer. Is it me? It's me, right? Like, it's me. I have an issue. I'm just a hater. I'm just a fucking hater, man. And the fact that he's got the fucking, he went to Costco. Bro, he still got the fucking sticker on there. He didn't even take the sticker off. Look at the sticker on there. Still got the Costco sticker on the table. The fucking pop-up
We got the all-in-one
tables. Look at those fucking chairs, bro.
Internet
What is this?
For y'all.
He got to make his fucking students sit in those chairs with the internet connected. He got the internet gonna be connected to those chairs. Went to Costco and bought some chairs for his fucking students, man. Look at that computer, dude. Dude, how are you not gonna be profitable with that computer? You know what I mean? Like, how are you not gonna be a fucking billionaire once you trade that computer? Let me look at the PW chairs. I got you. Y'all want to see this is how we do it at the PW, the Big Dick House, okay? We have the nicest chairs around. $2,000 chairs. They're two. God, we're back. Check out this chair. This is a $2,000 chair, chat. $2,000. Look at that thing. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at that chair. Bro, that's a nice chair. It's got internet connected. Hey, you got internet over here?
We got internet.
You sure?
Yeah.
These computers, they got internet too, chat. Don't you worry. We got internet at all the computers here at the BDH. No problems. Internet. So look at internet. The internet goes into the computer. It's not all in one, but it's got internet. And then even in here, what's crazy is we have internet. You have internet?
I do.
She's got internet. You got internet?
Yep.
Dude, even this has internet. Fucking A, this is crazy. It's mind-blowing, the fact that everybody's got internet at the BDH. Even the fucking R34's got internet. Look at it, it's got a screen in it. I got some fingerprints on it. I was trying to push it around. I think it's heavier than I thought it was gonna be. I put it on the wheel stands. I pushed it over on myself. It don't roll very good on the carpet. You see that? I have these little wheel stands I put on the GTR, and then I had to push it by myself. Dude, I was like, you know that guy, the fucking at the yeah, I know, he would have been proud because I moved it like 2 inches, and then I was like, oh, because once it gets not straight, then you gotta like push it really hard because you gotta make the wheel like, you know, turn like the little wheels on the things.
We're gonna see that guy tomorrow, right?
Yeah, hopefully. But yeah, man, it's crazy. I just can't believe, man, that people out there don't have internet on their computers. It's impressive, honestly. All right, well, look at that. Nasdaq just right back up again. Who would have thought? You know, who would have thought? Who would have thought? Bring your own internet. If you're going to go to the fucking Team Bull Trading Center, you need to bring your own internet. Dave said, you've seen Tim Allen's car collection. He's got a charger going to all the cars. Yeah, so some of the older cars or even some of the imports, you got to keep them charged or you got to plug them in basically. Like if you don't plug them in, then the battery obviously dies. If you're not driving them a lot too, because I don't really, you're not driving these collector cars all the time. So you got to kind of put a charger on the battery because the battery will just kind of drain out and die. All right, well, NASDAQ, what's up? What's up with the NASDAQ? Well, I don't even know. I don't even know sometimes, I'm like looking at it. I'm like, what do I do here? I don't even know. Just being real fucking annoying. Right back to the middle of that range. God damn. That thing's loud. But yeah, right to the middle of that range again. 480s. I don't know what to do. Do you back test? No, I forward test. See, people that don't make money, they back test. People that make money, they forward test. You know, that's the difference, right? There's Patrick Wieland. I'm profitable. So instead of back testing, I just make money. You know, like that's what I do. I just make money. You know, like look at the Nasdaq right back up there to the 480s now. Oh God, I just make money. But yeah, no, people that back test, that's something that you do when you're not profitable because, well, if you're good at trading, you don't need to back test. You can actually trade the forward. No, you know, I don't study anymore. People be like, Patrick, how often do you study the charts? I'm like, I don't look at the charts. I look at the numbers, right? It's a numbers game. All you think about is like, how many numbers are on the chart, right? If you think about it, it's just numbers. So the more numbers, the more money. Less numbers, less money. Pretty much is the whole theory here. And y'all got to really learn about it. All right? Y'all got to really learn about this. Don't overcomplicate trading, right? Make it easy on yourself. Just buy low, sell high. If it goes lower, then get the fuck out. Pretty much is what you got to do at that point. You don't want to, you got to get out. Oh my God, Nasdaq right back to the 490s. This motherfucker said, I ain't going down today. Literally. What a scam. I think you just got to keep buying these dips. I don't know. There's no point in fucking, I don't know what you do. I might just be a good time to walk away. Even better. Maybe that's a better play. Maybe. All night long, all night long, all night. But yeah, the difference between me and your mentor is still back testing. Patrick Wieland's just forward testing, right? I'm just making money consistently. Here's my calendar for this account, the Funding Ticks account. I started this account there in June 30th. It's been green, 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 green. And then today, once again, guess what? Who wants to guess? Who wants to guess? Anybody want to guess? I bet you can't guess. He's green. Yip, 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 yippee-ki-yay. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucking A. Green, 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 green. He can't. Look at this chart. Look at my chart. Look at my chart. Look at that. Look at that chart. Look at that chart. That's my P&L chart. Look at it. We just look at it. Just look at it, chat. You gotta just look at it. Are y'all looking at it? Here. I got a better video for you. Hold on one second. I gotta play this. Everyone knows I'm about to play, right?
Oh, look at that. What are you wiping the windows? Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
Well, it's a 78.
Yeah, it's looking good. Looks really good.
Yeah, it's got original paint, too. And
yeah.
People that owned this thing before me must have put the thing away in its Long Island, New York garage every day of its life.
Oh, go figure. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at
that.
that.
Look at that. Look at this.
It's real clean. You can work on it. It's the things.
I'm gonna make a reel where it's just my P&L and it's gonna look. Look at this.
So with
yeah.
consideration,
right.
You know, I'll go down.
You still do it.
Park that 7.
Look at that. Look at
Look at this.
Yeah. Look at this. You know, when I see a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
Jason, we gotta make a reel with this.
Look at this.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look
this
at
guy's
it.
he is fucking the best. Ed the Bassmaster.
Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that? Oh, look at this. You got me running all around
we gotta cut it. You gotta find this audio and then just have my P&L curve.
Look at
it.
Just
you don't know this?
At that.
I can't pull it out either.
You never heard this?
Drill it.
I'm about to say, if you were fired, you never heard of that.
I mean, just
I'm about to fire JC.
Yeah.
You've never heard of fucking look at that guy.
A cop did that.
A cop.
A cop did that? Look at that.
Went over and tried to fight it.
Yeah.
They told me we're not required to post warnings here in New Jersey.
Oh, would you look at that?
It's a
Listen, I got
police
pulled over in Jersey twice for not wearing a seatbelt in the passenger
Oh,
seat.
yeah.
In the passenger
Oh,
seat,
really?
and got a $40 ticket.
yeah,
I
right.
said,
Well,
would
see,
you look
that's
at this?
the way they got
Would
their
you look
tax
at
base
this?
to generate-
Would you look at it? I was so mad.
Basically, they got to earn their money the old-fashioned
Yeah.
way.
Whenever a cop writes you out a ticket, the first thing you do is you take the ticket and you say, would you look at that? You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, if I'd have done that, the cop did it and I wasn't there that night.
Yeah. You should have said, look at this, and that would have probably got you off if you told them to look
Well,
at it.
here's
This-
the thing.
Yeah.
I went over there
yeah,
the first
this,
time
yo,
to
look
fight
at this.
it,
Yeah, you got to look at it.
and
Yeah.
the cop
Look at this.
wasn't
Yeah,
there.
right, because he had to look at it first.
He didn't show up.
Yeah,
the
because he had to
first
look
time.
at it,
You know
because he had to
what
look at this.
You know what the judge did?
He probably told you to look at it.
Postponed
Oh,
the
son of a,
case.
he probably had to look at it and say, look at this.
And I asked him the
Yeah.
second time I went.
And then he-
see,
yeah.
I figured I was just going to get off.
And then he
until
said,
the
look
judge
at it.
told me.
And he said, look at this.
And I asked him. I asked the cop, where
Yeah.
were you the last time? He
The
said,
last time
"I
he
got
said, look at this."
my guess is
He probably did that.
he
Oh, would you
didn't
look
do
at
it.
this?
He
Oh,
did
would you
it
look
with
at
the
that?
door of his
Ooh,
ride
look
or
at that. What
whatever
an
the
idiot.
case
Would you look at
was.
this? Oh, look at that.
Next day I go
Look at
out,
that. Look at
and
this.
I'd have to
I
drill
love
it
the
out.
fact
I
the guy's just
tried
talking.
getting under here.
Oh, would you look at that? You got
On my
under?
wheel,
Yeah, look
my
at that.
wheel.
Look
Tried
at
to
that.
get from behind
Look at
you,
that.
and you can't do it.
Oh, look at this. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look at
see,
this.
And if you tell that to the
Look
cops,
at that.
they're not going to give you any
Oh,
consideration.
look at that. You got to look at it this way, okay? You just got to look at it. That's all you can do anymore.
Yeah, I looked at it as right, and I see, you know.
Oh man, he looked at it, boys. He is looking at it. Oh god, you gotta love good old. I love the old days on the internet, man. The internet used to be such a better place. 15, 20 years ago, it was just good comedy, good stuff. You know, now it's all like everything's all fucking controversial, and people, you know, be getting blowjobs in the public and doing weird shit, and yeah, it's just weird stuff going on out there. Ugh. Ooh. OnlyFans. I'm just, hey, at some point, right, the OnlyFans thing has to die, right? Like, at some point, like, what's the next trend? Like, the next trend is girls are going to be paying us to watch them naked. You know what I mean? It's got to be like, I'm going to get paid to watch you naked. That could be a thing, right? Like, the next trend. Like, maybe I get paid to watch the porno. Like, there's a, like, every time you watch the porn, you earn money. This could be a thing. Someone said in the chat, I'd be rich. Oh man, someone in the chat would definitely be rich. I don't know, man. You know, anything's possible. Anything's possible. We just look at that. Someone's trying to get in the car now. He's just wiping it down. Wiping it down. You gotta wipe it down. You need to look at it. You all chat be looking at them porn websites. I'm gonna start my own little OnlyFans. Gonna be pictures of me just shirtless, working out. I think I could sell a couple. I'm pretty sure I could be like a top creator on OnlyFans. Just videos of myself. Just, you know. I don't know why, but I just got a feeling. I feel like it would be possible. Just be like, look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it, why don't you? All right, well, Nasdaq pushed back up. We got stuck there at the 488s again. But I don't know, man. Is this like, are we gonna now roll back off here? Like, what in the fuck? I'm green on the day, and I'm looking at it like, you know, just look at it, and you just be like, well, you know, I don't know, you know, because if you just look at it, then it'd be a lot of looking, pretty much. Right now, I'll just be looking at it. And I'm like, I don't know if I want to look at it anymore. We're up $1,300 on the day. So if you just look at it, it's green. We green on the day when you look at it. But if you don't look at it, then you don't be green on the day. So you make sure when you're looking at it that you just look at it a certain way, and you'll be like, man, I'm green. Look at me, I'm green on it. You know what I mean? Like, you're gonna be green if you just look at it. Just really though, honestly, look at it. Guys, I want y'all to look at it. Look at this. So far for the month, ask your favorite YouTuber to do this before they start talking. Whenever they start talking, just be like, hey, shut up. Shut up. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut it. Shut it. Shut it. Shut it. Show me this. I don't want to hear about your fucking internet connected computer, I don't want to hear about your all-in-one fucking dildo pussy finder. I don't care about none of that. All I care about is, what are your stats? Show me the stats. Show me the stats. Show me the stats. You know, that's what I want to see. I don't care about how you fucking, you know, you read a book online and now you've been trading for 10 months and you got to, I want to see the stats. If you ain't got stats, I don't want to see it. So this week so far, we're up $1,300. We on the grind right now. We hitting about 76% day one. I think this month we're going to end up around $25,000. What do you think? That's what I think.
Still riding on chrome, we still pulling up, white man look. Yeah, I pull up at the club, VIP, gas tank on E, but all drinks on me. White man out. Fresh kicks, fresh white tall tee, fresh NFL hat, fresh bows with the crease. White man out. Wanna hit me with that real, recognize real, don't speak. White man out. Chicken laden, I've been rolling by the week. You can tell I got cake by the diamonds in my teeth. White man out. Black shades, so you know what. Rolling, they ain't check me at the door, so ain't no telling what I'm white man out. Bad, they gon' bust it wide open. Flashing in the bread, but I'm the they approaching. White man out. Small, tall figures, y'all crawl. We gon' get and dog. White man out. Y'all call, put my all. Get your issue and whoever fall with, cause I'm on white man out. 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 Cause I'm on white man out.
We're live for the BDH getting wiped down. Hey, name another YouTuber who's getting wiped down right now. Nobody. Just look at it.
White man out. Red bones, caramels, all on, stop and stare, all on, trying to steal my underwear. White man out. I like a song like Rick Ross. Got it, come down. When I can't get everybody down. White man out. Black nigga, down, won't play with me. I'm you can go. White man out. Red baby, red Yankees on the corner, playing babies. I'm an ordinary person, but I'm white man out.
All right, market's going nowhere right now, so we'll do another little tour. See what else is going on. I gotta hold this camera like this so you see my face. Here at the BDH, we only drink the best of the best. So we have a selection of liquid diff water, liquid diff. We got the little waters, if you like little water. But then if you're a little thirstier, we got bigger water. We've also got plastic water for the normies, for the poor people. When they come to BDH, I look at them and say, you have the plastic water. You can have the plastic stuff, okay? I don't want none of that plastic stuff. We got the teas as well. We got some C4. We got some Zoa. I don't know what the fuck Zoa is. I told you, we got some nutty bars down there. But yeah, the plastic bottles, those are for the poor people. For the poor people. Like this guy. Bro, you got the plastic water bottle. Don't you know it's bad for you?
BPA.
It makes your sperm count go down. Good thing you got a baby on the way. Good thing it worked. I got this right now going on. So this is gonna be a great camera for the future, for the mentorship. So that way I can walk around the stream. It's all wireless. I can walk over here and like look at the retards. I mean the mentees where they're trading at. We moved the thingies down there. I put some stuff up there. Put some stuff up there. But this way I'll be sitting right here and you're gonna see my head in there. Be like, oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Damn, dog. Fucking Paul Walker would be proud. Look at this thing. Ooh. 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 Oh my God. How many horses you got under there, boy? How many horses you got? I got one of them flux capacitors. Hell yeah. Don't worry, we're gonna make that look a lot better in the future. They built it in Japan, you know, and nothing wrong with the Japanese building stuff, but they don't really build stuff the right way, to be honest. I know, they're really good artists, but they're not good at engine stuff. It's a common problem, All right, Nasdaq just going absolutely nowhere, stuck there at that pivot point. So, what a time to be alive. Patrick, do you and Victoria plan on having kids? Maybe. I'm still a virgin, so you know I'm saving myself for the right woman, but we'll see. We'll see. You never know. We're up $3,000 in my personal account right now, and this fucking market has gone absolutely nowhere. I'm just like, what do I do? Just like take profit and get the fuck out of here? Need a custom muffle tip. Oh, I'll give you a muffle tip, you little muffin top. You want to come touch my muffle tip? Oh yeah, you trying to get in on that, huh? Little muffle tipper. I know places we can go, baby. All right, I'm going to close out of the long on my personal account. I'm over it. Okay? I don't want no more of it. I think I'm going to walk away here. I got a lot of work to do this week. All right, by the way, chat, I'm working on a new course, the new Patrick Wieland course. Honest, I want to get honest feedback, right? What do you guys want to see? People that bought the current course, what do you want to see in this course? What would be like ideal? You know, like what would really be good? What am I talking about price-wise? What if I told you it was going to be the cheapest course ever made, but also the best course? What if I told you that? What if I told you it's going to be an insane price? You're not paying $200 for a course? Hey, KB, go fuck yourself. How about that? Right to the VIP room. My new course, it's going to absolutely revolutionize the world of trading forever. It's going to have internet connection. All right? It's going to be $99. $99. True story. $99 for the new course that's going to guarantee that you learn how to buy and sell. Other than that, I can't guarantee nothing. Lots more examples of winners and losers. Well, I would show you more losers, but, you know, it's just hard. It's hard to show you the losers when all I do is win. Win, 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 win. I mean, you know, what do you want me to do? This is my equity curve. The pullbacks are payouts. You know, what do you want me to do about it? I can't do nothing about it, man. You know, if you look at the leaderboard, I can't do anything about it. Can't do anything about it. You go to 100K on the leaderboard. Who number one? Number one. Number one. Number one. Longest master account duration, 38 days. PW in the house. Nasdaq now finally breaking to the upside again. Oh my God, we took out the lows, we took out the highs. Are we going back for the high again? What's funny is, like we said, that little idea of breaking through that 70 area, right? Take out that 70 area, pull back. It dips down there, pushes right back up. And here we are, man, just living, you know, just living. Just living. Living like that. What's a good song for here? What's a good song? Yeah, look at this guy. This is what it used to be like, chat, back in the day.
He's working on the buy side and seller's bigger than buyer's right now. You here staying a half bid? I'm good. Yeah, that's a trader goal. That's a trader goal.
Selling the dot. Bear Stearns sold 24 forward, 6 to dot. What's this man down to? 6 run 8 sold. One more trades at 6. Pair off one there. What's that man down to? 24-4 trades at 6. 6 for 10,000, 10,000 and 8. 6 for 8, 10,000. Leaves 1,200. You're complete, you're complete.
What a time to be alive, huh? Back in the day. Looking like that. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell.
The combined assault on the Far Eastern European markets came in 3 days, ending on the first day of March.
I don't know. I think I would. I don't know if I'd be a good trader, but I'd probably just get in fights, people, and then I'd get banned from the exchange. I think I'd be the biggest, the largest still, but it just I wouldn't be as good. But imagine having to interact with buyers and sellers like that. You'd be like yelling and screaming, buy, sell. No, I don't want it. You buy. No, you sell. A Big Daddy Max. I think Big Daddy Max is not profitable. That's what I think. Nasdaq ripping. I guess I could have stayed long. Fucking A. Nasdaq back up here again. YOLO in the Rolo. Patrick, I want to see more advanced stuff. Don't skip over beginner stuff. Wait, what? Wait, what? I'm confused. What you talking about, Willis? His stupid strap made me lose $30,000 back in the day. Who? Patrick Wieland? No way. Who? Who you talking about? Who are you talking about? Patrick, I got kicked out of Max's Discord because that llama dude talking crap about you. Hey, they all talk about me. Remember, they don't stop talking about me for a reason. Because they got nothing else to talk about. Are you green for the day? Baby girl, I'm always green. It don't matter what. Don't matter if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Daddy is green, green, green. Patrick, can you show when the most important thing, when not to trade? Today might be a good example of when not to trade, to be honest. But we still made some money here and there, you know? Patrick, let's go catch some mahis. Sounds like a trap, Edward. Sounds like you're trying to get me on a boat so you can take advantage of me. I will not be taken advantage of, Edward. You will not be touching my booty hole. Anytime some guy goes, hey, Patrick, you want to go catch some mahis with me? I'll be like, oh, God. The mahi means fish? Are you sure? I thought that was code word for booty hole. Because I'd be texting girls, be like, back when I was single, by the way, I'd be like, be texting the girls, be like, hey, y'all want to get mahi fishing? And trust me, I did not go mahi fishing. Yeah, I mean, you know what I mean? I was not mahi fishing. I was fishing for something else. But I'm a married man. I'm not married, but I'm a devoted boyfriend now. Okay, don't worry about me. I don't be doing none of that mahi fishing no more. All alone. How much would you recommend starting a personal account with? B. Smith. Here's a good question, B. Smith. Have you made money in a prop firm? B. Smith, have you made money in a prop firm? This is what I always hate. I got ask a question, but people don't answer right away. Like I'm trying to give you advice right now. You're asking me what's your minimum starting a personal account. So my question is, have you made money from a prop firm? How old are you, bro? 36. I think there's no reason to start your own personal account until you get a payout. Who polishes the car behind me? I don't know, some guy, bro. You just pay him money and they just come polish your cars. Dude, literally has not... I don't know, man. B. Smith, what'd you do? Ask a question, then walk away? Dude literally comes here, asks one question, and then just disappears. Why? Why? Come back. Why do you not have a Discord? I don't need a Discord. Okay, B. Smith said he has payouts from MFFU. Well, then start an account. What's the minimum? I mean, I don't really know what you're saying. I would say like, kind of like realistically, the minimum that you really want to start out with, I'd say like 50, some, you know, wiggle room there. But remember, like it should be, is it cutting out again? God damn it. This internet is so fucked. I don't get it. I do not get it. Nobody can can fix anything around here. This makes no sense. Can't make sense. We're the fucking internet. Call the internet people that come out and there's no problem with the internet. Nothing wrong with the internet. Nobody ever has any answer. I'm back. Fuck, I got no internet connection, man. I mean, 15K, 20K is like a realistic kind of personal account starting size, to be honest. You know? But that's just my personal, because I need more, you know, a little bit more room. But you know what I mean? Like, I have fiber. I don't fucking know what's going on. Jason's probably downloading porn or some shit in the bathroom right now. God. I told the editor, I'm like, don't download porn until after the stream, bro. We ain't got enough bandwidth for everybody. I can't be streaming and you downloading porn at the same time. It ain't gonna work. Alex said, I thought maybe 1 to 2,000. Well, good thing, Alex, you're gonna be part of the mentorship, because how the fuck you gonna make money with $1,000 in an account, Alex? What are you gonna do? You're gonna trade one micro for the rest of your life? It would be a waste of time. You're wasting your fucking time. That's literally, you're wasting your time. You know what I mean? That's just a waste. I go, dude, now it's going on and off again. I don't know. But again, like, if you're starting out trading $1,000 personal account and you're trading micros, like, how long is that going to take you to make it turn into 2,000? How much for a person just starting out? If you're just starting out, why not start out with a PropFirm account? Would be, oh my God, it's going off again. I don't understand this shit. What are my thoughts on Umar Ashafar? I don't know. If I can't pronounce the name, I don't have any thoughts on him. All right, so on the day right now, we've made some money. It wasn't easy. It wasn't a fun day, honestly. It was kind of just a shitty day. A lot of stops, a lot of nothingness. We had some pushes, we had some drops, we had some pops, but definitely it wasn't anything to be excited about. So, let's see. I don't have any, guys. Everyone asking me what are my thoughts about other men. I don't think about other men. I know you guys are all fucking gay and all you guys think about is all these influencers all day, but I have better things to think about. I don't sit around thinking about fucking dudes. If that's what you're into, that's fine. But I'm personally I don't sit around thinking about other men all day. Unless they're my favorite ones. You know, if their name starts with J and ends with dumb, then I be thinking about them all the time because they funny as fuck.
Internet connected.
You know,
internet connected.
Someone needs to remix this.
All-in-one computers. Internet connected for y'all to trade with us. Internet connected. Internet connected. We got the all-in-one computers. Internet connected for y'all to trade with us. Internet connected. Internet connected. We got the all-in-one computer.
I just don't understand. Why did he say internet connected? Why did he say that? You know, like, why? Like, what? Like, is that a selling point? Are we sold? Or like, people are they impressed? You know, like,